That's correct. Around
Oh, yan. Ito po, ganito. 714,318,000 liters of gasoline times 30 days. That is 714 million per day. Approximate gross income. So pag pinagsama po natin itong dalawa, kung dalawa lamang, Mr. Chair, per day po ito ha, sa diesel po, 2,324,312,812,000 plus 714,318,000. Ang gross income po per day is 3,039,130,000 per day. 3 billion, Mr. Chair. Eh, kinuha po ninyo sa inventaryo ninyo ito. 2 weeks pa lang ang nakakaraan. Alam po ninyo, Mr. Chair, I have to apologize for making this comparison. Yung 18 Marines po, yung kanilang mga diniliver na mga mali-maleta, kinumpute ko rin po eh. Despite the logistical nightmare scenario that was peddled to the public, ganito po yun eh. Approximately, they were delivering 2 billion pesos per day. Based on 33 months, times 4 weeks. The average po ng about 42.5 maletas, averaging 40 million. It's maleta. Eh, ito pong gross income na kinukompute ko, Mr. Chair, eh. Mas mataas pa po doon sa maleta na dinala po ng 18 Marines. Allegedly. Wala po akong inaano. I'm just trying to see. I mean, yung analogy lang po. Wala po akong pakialam kung totoo o hindi totoo yung sinasabi po doon sa sworn statement that has yet to be investigated properly. Ang kwento ko po is 2 billion a day, yung sinasabi nila. Ang sabi ko nga po, I'm not saying that that is correct. That is yet to be investigated properly and in proper time. Pero ito pong sinasabi ko, it's 3 billion pesos per day ang gross income po ng National Oil Company. These are not my figures. Salamat po, Mr. Chair.
Thank you.